Welcome to this InterAcct sales demonstration on the Visual Calendar module. The Visual Calendar module is an optional module that links through to the standard system diary alerts. At any time we can create appointments within the software and reminders for any of our staff. They're normally stored under this diary alerts system here. So if I pulled up the diary alerts for our employee Jerry, I can see in here that on the 25th of September 2017 that he's due to order some materials from suppliers for job number 2. I can link back through to the customer file or the job file to see more details underneath there if I need to, or to put in comments. Underneath the client file we can also see notes of every time we've spoken to this client and when we needed to follow them up. The appointments that are actually marked as appointments rather than just quote follow-ups, etc., will copy through to the visual calendar. So if I pull up the visual calendar here, we can see a visual representation of the appointments that are in there. So we can see Jerry's appointment that he's got for the 22nd of November, and Darren's appointment over here for the same day to do an on-site review. Pulling up the details for this, we can see the time, start and end time that we're going to be doing this work. We can look up the jobs that have been keyed into the software and link back through to them, even down to the different phases or sections of the job that we're wanting to say that we're working on. When we complete the task, we can mark the task as being completed here, and that will actually also send through a timesheet through to the job, so that we can put in a representation of either the project manager's time or on-site staff that are doing work for this job. Jobs that haven't been marked as being completed are able to be edited and changed at any time. So if Jerry's appointment for Wednesday the 22nd wasn't going to happen, we could simply move it across to for Darren or Andrew, or over here on the side of the screen, bring up any number of employees. Now obviously if I select all the employees, we've given a very tight schedule here to look at, because we're trying to look at all the work that all these employees have got, and there's 20 of them, for the next week. So what we would normally probably do if we wanted to look at that many employees is look at it on a daily basis. So we're just seeing for everybody what work they've got to do on the 23rd of November. Up here in the top of the screen, it bolds days where we've got appointments, so that if we're wanting to see when we've got a day that's free, we can certainly see that for the selected staff that we've got down here. There's also options in here to be able to filter what type of staff we're going to see down the bottom here. So just show me the people in the administration group, then the list is then reduced. We can also use the visual scheduler to be able to schedule in assets as well, if we're wanting to put them in as resources that can be scheduled, so that we can book out, when a particular crane is going to become available. There are options within the visual scheduler to be able to change styles as well. So if you don't like this particular color scheme, you can pull up any number of different color schemes there as well to use in the software, as well as picking what days are the normal working days that you expect to see, and the working hours that you expect to see as well. If you've got any questions about the Visual Scheduler module, or would like to have a demonstration, please contact sales@interact.com.au. Thank you.